Howdy ho, neighborinos. It's me, T-Dog, coming at you with more math. Alright, so you got your mental math, trying to do these in your head, your problem solving, and new concept, okay? We may find a subtraction answer by counting by using objects or by remembering fact families, okay? Fact families is just knowing that like 3 plus 2 equals 5, which means that 5 minus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Those are considered, that's what it calls fact families. When subtracting larger numbers, though, it's helpful to have a method. Recall from lesson 6 that a method for solving a problem is called an algorithm. In this lesson, we'll practice an algorithm for subtraction. Okay, we'll use money to learn it. Use your $100, $10, and $1 money manipulatives. I haven't given you money manipulatives, so you're going to have to ask your parents for $100. No, I'm kidding. If you would like money manipulatives, please let me know. I can get those for you, but I'm not sure that you need them. But if you feel like you do, if you feel like they're going to be helpful, then absolutely I can get you some money manipulatives, okay? So just let me know about that, all right? This is my first time using the I-5, so I didn't know it required those. If it is something that you think you can do without, great. If it's something you want, absolutely I'll get them for you, okay? So we'll use 5 $100 bills, 2 $10 bills, and 4 $1 bills to show how much money she has. Okay, so 524. From 524, Maribel must pay Tynese $58, which is five $10 bills and 8 $1 bills. Maribel has enough money to pay Tynese, of course, because 524, but she doesn't have enough $10 bills and $1 bills to pay the exact amount. So she's got to break a $100 bill in order to have enough. Okay. Before Maribel pays Tynese, she must exchange one $10 bill for $1 bills, so she has enough ones, and then she'll have to also break 100 to have enough tens. Okay. So now she has the same amount of money, 4 $100 bills, 11 $10 bills, and 14 $1 bills. She has not lost any money, okay? But she has, changed her denominations. If we really wanted to look at this, we have 400 plus 110 plus 14, okay? Which is the exact same place of where we were before, because 4, that turns to 5, and then this 14 adds here, so that gives us 524, okay? When we add up 400, 110, and 14, we add all those up, we still get 524. It hasn't lost any money. Now that we have the 4, 11, and the 14, we can subtract the 5 and the 8. Okay? Okay, now you can subtract. The 4 is untouched now, okay, because there's nothing subtracting it, so it goes down. 11 minus 5 gives you 6. 14 plus 8, 14 minus 8 is 6. So $466 is how much she's left. Okay. So when we're doing it in this style, okay, we change this to a 4, this to an 11, and this to a 14. And we just kind of write it in there. Now we have 14 minus 8, or 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, that's 6. 11 minus 5, that's another 6, and then 4. Okay, 466. That's our answer. Okay, they're going to go over it again, same style. Example, use subtraction. So 6 minus 4 you can already do. You don't need to do anything there. That's a 2. 4 minus 6, you can't take 6 away from 4. That'd give you a negative number. So instead we have to go over to this 3, turn this 3 into a 2, and then add a 10 here. So now we have 14 minus 6. Well, that one I can do. Okay. 14 minus 6 is 8. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 and 3, that's 8. Okay. Now 2 minus 2, that's 0. So my answer is 82. Okay. You can follow along there. Lesson practice. I think you guys can do this on your own, but I'm going to go ahead and if you come back to the video, pause the video and try and do lesson practice, and then I will go over it. For the written practice, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to do 11 through 22. Okay, and that's it. All right, guys, so I'm going to do lesson practice. I'm assuming you've at least attempted it by this point. So 4, 9, 6. So that 9 I can subtract a 5 from already on its own, and that 4 I can. But this 6 needs to get bolstered before it can be subtracted from that 7. So that 9 has to turn to an 8, and now it's 16 minus 7. Okay? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? 5 and 9. Okay? Another thing that I might do is 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So 3. But I also know I'm going up to 16 and I'm at 10. So I know it's going to be a 6. So now it's just 3 plus 6, which is 9. Okay? That's another way of doing it. Anyway, 9. 8 minus 5, that's 3. 4 minus 1, that's 2. So 239. Over here, bunch of zeros. 6 can't subtract from 0. So we're going to have to take this 400, turn it into 300, turn that into a 10, which turns into a 9 as I now make this 10. So now I have 300, 90, and a 10. Which, again, if we add 300, 90, and 10 all together, we're going to get 400. Okay, so we haven't changed anything. We've just moved stuff around. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 264. 5 minus 1, or 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 6, can't do that, so we have to turn that into 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Or what I actually like to do on this is I remember to get up to 10, you add 4 from 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. And then I add 1 more to get to 11. So instead of 4, it's now 5. 2 minus 2 is 0, so 51 is my answer. Same deal over here, this 500 that we did over here. So that turns to a 4, 9, and a 10. I kind of have to squeeze it in there because I'm low on room. You can give yourself more room by doing this on a scratch piece of paper or rewriting it. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 6. Ooh, wait. Oh, jeez. That's the answer from the other one. 10 minus 3 is 7. See, I got confused because I had too many things going on there. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 6 is 3, and 4 minus nothing is 4. So my answer is 437. 239 up here, 437 up here. Let's see. That's going to turn into a 3. That's going to turn into a 12. And this is now 15. 15 minus 6. Okay. Now I remember my 9s again. So if this number here, this 5, goes up and the tens column goes down, that's a 9. 7 minus 12. It takes 3 to get 7 up to 10. And then 2 more to get to 12, so 3 and 2 is 5. And then 3 minus nothing is 3. Over here, same deal as before. That turns into a 7. That turns into a 9, and this turns into a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3, so 394. Over here, they've given it to us in a slightly different format. I'm just going to rewrite it. Okay. 7 and 16. So 8 and 3. Rewrite it again. 2 minus 0 is 2. This one you actually don't even have to really, because it's already at a 13. So 4 minus 13, or 13 minus 4 is 9. 47. That'll be a 9. That'll be a 1. That'll be a 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5, and that 1 comes down. There you go. All right, guys. Have a good one. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.